Hi, in this video I want to give you more details on the Just Clean It app. One important thing in the application is the scoreboard. On the scoreboard you see when you start up the application who's good on the cleaning and who's behind. It's determined by a score, and if you click on a person you get his cleaning history and you see all the tasks he had checked in the past. And the score, the easiest way to get to the score would be to count all the points of all the tasks in the past. But there are more options to it. You can count, for example, just the last 4 weeks or the last 8 weeks. And there's this one option that we use as a default is fading points. Let me quick show you what fading points are. The idea of fading points is that a task, as older the task gets, or as deeper it is in the cleaning history, it counts less and less and less and less and less. Yes. So, for example, if you have cleaning the kitchen is 10 points, after 1 month it's just 5 points. After 2 months it's just 2.5 points. So the concept is really that tasks are fading away. So why this concept? It sounds a bit complicated. It's done everything automatically for you. So but why this kind of complicated concept? Because it solves the holiday situation. Because the good thing is, if somebody is away from the community on holiday or visiting parents, whatever, you don't need to change anything. You just ignore him while he is away. And when he comes back, you let him catch up and do his stuff. And automatically, with the fading points, after several weeks, his time of absence is not counting much anymore, because it's in the past, and as further it gets to the past, it counts less and less compared to the other people within that period. So that's the good thing about fading points. We like them very much, and we think it's a good concept. But if you don't like it, you can change this. You can set the counting method, for example, to count all points. To do this, you go here to the More option, you get to the settings, how to count points, and there you can change it. So, one thing also, or another problem, is maybe when somebody in your community does not have a smartphone. So what you can do then is you can set up a public device. We call it a public kitchen tablet for people that don't have a smartphone. So you can mix this up. So for example, in my living community, I have a smartphone, Kirsten has a smartphone, but David and Julius are not having a smartphone. We used an old Android smartphone, 2 years old, put it in the kitchen, and so they can use it to check in their points and get automatically synced with our smartphones. So to set this up, this is quite easy. You install the application on this public device, and then you use a join code of one group member, and then you go to the More option, to the settings, and switch on the kitchen tablet mode. So, and it acts very similar to the normal app. The only thing is, when you are going to check in a task, it will first ask you who you are and which person you want to check in the points. So, in the end, some advice: tolerate different point levels over time, because there are people that are a little bit more better on the cleaning, and people are always just on the catching up. That's okay. Just make sure that the point level of different person is not getting too different. When there's a problem, really talk about it. Yeah, it's social stuff, it's cleaning. This app will not solve everything, but it will keep a clean record of the past, so you can argue just about the future and how to make to clean up better your place. And maybe check if you want to adjust points for some tasks over time. For example, if there's some task that is never getting done, but it really needs cleaning from somebody, then give it more points, so that it's getting more attractive to a person within your community. Okay, if you need more help, check out our Facebook page. They can post questions and we try to answer that. And would really be appreciated if you also support us a little bit with a small donation, because the app is for free, the service is for free, but we have running costs for server and development, and help us to keep the application free. If this is not working out with the donations, maybe we have to change something. Normally you don't want to see advertising, but if you want to see advertising, you don't want to donate, we respect that. But if you want to donate, check out our website. There's the donation section. You can Flatter it, you can PayPal us. Would be great. Okay, enjoy the app and have fun.